Okay, okay, start.
Hi everyone. So we are going to do a group discussion. So the topic is which matter more for getting a job, skill or a university certificate. To start, I personally believe skills matter more, especially in a today job market. You can have a degree, but if you can't perform the job, it's hard to stay employed.
Mm, that's a good point, but I think it depends on the type of job we looking for. For example, in medical or legal professions, a university degree is essential. You can be a doctor or a lawyer just by having skills only. So you need the formal education and license to practice.
I agree with both of you to some extent, but in field like IT, design, or digital marketing, employer usually care more about what you can actually do. A person with strong technical or critical skill, even without a degree, can still get hired, especially if they have a solid portfolio.
Exactly. Nowadays, many big tech company like Google, Tesla, and IBM have dropped the strict degrees requirement. Uh, they focus more on what you have built, like apps, website, or real world project, and your ability to solve the problem.
Okay, that's true, but we can't completely ignore the value of a university degree. It shows that a person has discipline, a solid foundation in theory, and the ability to commit to a long-term goal. It also provides opportunities for internships and networking, which are helpful in getting their first job.
That is a valid point. Still, even without a degree, people can grow through online certificate, internship, freelance work, or open source contribution. This show real incentive and practical experience.
I agree with you. Let's be honest. Some university curriculums are outdated. In evolving field like AI, cloud computing, or cybersecurity, things change quickly. By the time students graduate, the industry might be using new tools that were not even covered in their syllabus. In fact, I have been seen people graduate with excellent grade but still struggles in real world scenario because they never practice applying the knowledge.
Okay, that's fair, but university does more than just teach theory. It also builds important like soft skills, teamwork, time management, critical thinking, and presentation skills. This can be easily learned through online courses like outside there. And let's not forget, many employers still see a degree as a basic filter when shortlisting candidates.
Yes, this is very true. So maybe the real answer is both are important, but they serve a different purpose. A degree help open door especially for entire level job, while skill can help you success and grow once you are in. It's like having the key to enter a room, but your skill determine how well you do inside.
I like that conclusion, and I will add that someone with just a degree but no practical skill might struggle, while someone with strong skill, even without a degree, can often succeed, especially in freelance or startup environment.
Yes, And nowadays, which platforms like Coursera, LinkedIn Learning, or Udemy that anyone can learn new skills and earn certifications? Employers are starting to value this type of self-motivated learning. Plus, some people pursue micro degrees or nano degrees, which are faster and more focused than a full university course.
That is right. And don't forget about the power of building a portfolio. Code can use GitHub. Designer have behavior or debrief. This platform showcase real work. Even sharing your project regular on LinkedIn can attract requires.
Another thing to consider is how quickly the job market is evolving. Some of the most in-demand roles today, for example, like data analyst, digital marketer, and ethical hacker, barely exist a decade ago. In such a case, skill and adaptability are what really matter. Employer want people who can learn new tools quickly, not just those who rely on what they learned years ago.
Great point. In fact, many companies now say they prefer someone who's a lifelong learner over someone who just has a degree but never updates their knowledge. Continuous learning is a key, becoming more important than traditional qualification alone.
Yes, I agree with you. So to sum up, having both a degree and strong skill is ideal. But if we have to choose one of long-term success, I think we all agree skill matter more, especially in today's fast-changing and competitive job market.
Yes, I strongly agree. Skills help you adapt and grow. Even if your first job was not your dream job, they open up more path in the future. And skill also give you the flexibility to switch industry if needed.
Yes, and while a degree might get your resume noticed, it's your skills that keep you in the job and help you move up. Without skills, even a top degree won't guarantee career growth.
Well said, both of you. So the final vertical is skill matter more by having both in the winner combinations. In the end, it's not about choosing one over the other. It's about making sure you can keep learning, growing, and staying relevant.
All right.
Mm,
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you.
you.